Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you what I am planning on buying as far as makeup goes. Now I've got some high-end, some drugstore, and just a lot of stuff that I want to get. So I'm going to share that with you today. So let's get started. The first couple things I'm going to mention are from Too Faced. I know I have a huge problem. I know. The first item I'm going to talk about is the Too Faced Melted Clover Liquid Lipstick. So last year, around summer, fall, they released their Clover eyeshadow palette. That palette is a combination of shimmers and mattes, and it's colorful, like it's a splash of color. And I absolutely love that palette. It's one of my favorite palettes that has colorful eyeshadows in it. And about a couple weeks ago, they released their Melted Clover Liquid Lipstick and their makeup bag. Now, I also want to get that makeup bag, but this liquid lipstick is a mauve rosy tone liquid lipstick, and that's my favorite shade of liquid lipsticks. Now, on the Too Faced website, it says it is long-wearing, innovative, ultra matte lipstick with the staying power of a satin and the intense color of a liquid lipstick, and a pretty dusty rose shade inspired by Too Faced mascot Clover. Oh my goodness. And in addition, with purchasing this liquid lipstick, they would donate some of the money to a animal rescue foundation. And I think that is a great feature in their line, especially because there's a bunch of animals that need help nowadays. Next item I want to talk about is the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly Eyeshadow Palette. Now, a little backstory is I love purple eyeshadows, and purple is my birthstone, so I really like the color purple. And I don't have that many deep purple eyeshadows. And it is usually priced at $36, but right now it's on sale for $32.40. It says the limited edition peanut butter palette of 9 gorgeous matte and shimmer shades featuring an antioxidant-rich cocoa powder with a creamy peanut butter twist. Sounds pretty straightforward to me. Yeah, I just think it would be a really nice addition to my collection. Okay, next product I'm going to talk about is the Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation. Now, I don't have that many powder foundations. In all honesty, I don't have any powder foundations. So, this one I found on Too Faced website, I was absolutely in love with it. Now, the shade that I am most likely going to purchase is shade Fair. Now, in their Born This Way foundation range, I am shade Snow, but they don't have the same colors as their liquid line. This foundation claims to be non-drying, even though it is powder foundation. It says it is great for oily skin as well, and it has a rose petal finish. Now, they do have their same cocoa powder in it, like any other of their products, like their eyeshadow palettes or their bronzers. So that part is fantastic. They do say that it is medium to full coverage. And with powder foundations, it tends to be more on the natural side. So for a powder foundation to be matte and medium full coverage seems amazing to me. The next product I'm going to be talking about is the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Now, this is one I'm kind of on the fence about, especially because these shades do seem very familiar, even though I might not have them in some of my other Too Faced palettes. Now, this collection did launch, I think, a month ago now, and I've been looking at this palette like, it's really pretty, but do I need all these shades? So, a little backstory on this is that it has coconut water infused into it. It has 7 new shades and 2 classic shades, and it's infused with coconut butter for creamier mattes and gorgeous wear. It says it has rich pigmented shadows, offer true color payoff, luxurious silky smooth formula, blends effortlessly with an airbrush effect. I think this, again, is really pretty, but I'm not sure if I should get it or not. And comment down below in the comment section if you think I should get it and why, or if I shouldn't get it and why. The next product I'm going to talk about is the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. Now, I do want to get both of them. I know I'm so bad with all these high-end products, but I think these palettes are really pretty. Now, they launched their original rose gold eyeshadow palette, I want to say 2 or 3 years ago now, and I have been eyeing that palette for so long, and those glitters in that palette look so gorgeous. So in that palette, it is the same as the Desert Dusk palette as far as formula goes, and they released the Desert Dusk palette I think last year in the summertime. For the Desert Dusk palette, it says that it is a dynamic eyeshadow palette with 18 shades in 4 unique textures, 1 dazzling glitter, 8 creamy mattes, 6 shimmering pearl shades, and 3 duochrome toppers. This is so intriguing to me, especially with the glitter and the duochromes. I love a good metallic duochrome eyeshadow and some glitter. Gotta have my glitter, and I just think these are absolutely gorgeous. These do retail for $65 a piece, and I know that is extremely expensive, but they look gorgeous. Next item I'm going to talk about is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream eye cream. So I have the original Confidence in a Cream moisturizer, and I absolutely love that stuff. Now I know some of you are thinking, you're too young for eye cream, you don't need eye cream. Well, my aunt has been telling me that I need to start using eye cream earlier on so that I don't get wrinkles to begin with. So I am going to save up my money for this. It is $38 USD. I might get it for myself. It just looks really great, and I honestly love the moisturizer. Next thing is the Subculture eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I know a lot of people are going to say in the comments that the eyeshadow is terrible and what are you thinking? Don't waste your money on it. But I actually really like the colors. Now for me, kickback and the eyeshadows being really fluffy in the pan, I don't mind that. All you do is clean it up. I don't mind them being really fluffy, especially because that means they're going to blend amazingly well. So I am really looking forward to that eyeshadow palette, especially because of that teal blue in there. I just think it's such a pretty shade. Next thing is again from Anastasia, and that is their new soft Glam eyeshadow palette. That eyeshadow palette is more on the neutral side. It does have a few darker shades. I think there's like a light pinkish color in there as well, and it just looks so pretty. It doesn't look like a natural palette, but it would make some really nice eyeshadow looks. Next thing is from Anastasia, and that is their Amrezy highlighter. Now they did a collaboration with Amrezy. I think she is a YouTuber here on YouTube. I have seen so many swatches of this on Instagram and on YouTube, and it just looks gorgeous. It looks so blinding, and it is $28. So yeah, I'm gonna have to pick that up at some point. The last 2 things I have to talk about are actually perfumes and not makeup. The first perfume I want to get is called Fresh Cream Spray from Philosophy. Now they do have a few other perfumes. They have Amazing Grace Valley Rose. They have a few other perfumes as well. This Fresh Cream Spray smells like what I tend to go for. I love the more sweet scents that are more like warm and cozy smelling, I guess you would say. And this is exactly what I like. It is $40, and I don't think that's a bad price for a big bottle that it is. The last thing I have to talk about is called Viva Juicy Glace Eau de Parfum. This is again sweet smelling, and it just smells so good. It doesn't smell like anything I've ever had before, but it is $78, and I think that is a little crazy for a perfume. So I'm on the fence about it, but I probably am going to get it. And that is it for what I'm going to buy from Ulta, Too Faced, and Sephora. I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you think I should buy that Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette, because I truly am on the fence if I should get it or not. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also subscribe to our channel. We post 2 beauty videos a week, one on Mondays, which is a Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays, which is a teen take with me, or a mom moment with my mother. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004. And be sure to share this video with your friends if you think they would like this as well. And I will see you next time in our next Mom Me video. Bye everyone.